Hello students, before this we have studied what is the quadratic equation and root of the quadratic equation. In this video we are going to learn how to find the roots of quadratic equation. So we are going to learn here solutions of quadratic equation by factorization method. So there are various methods by which we can find solutions of a quadratic equation. Here it is the first method, factorization. So let us solve some examples based on this one. Question is, solve the following quadratic equations by factorization. The first equation is x square minus 15x plus 54 is equal to 0. To find the solutions of this equation, first of all we have to factorize plus 54 such that the product of those factors must be plus 54 and their addition or subtraction must be minus 15. So we have to factorize 54 into two factors. So the two factors must be minus 9 and minus 6. So as we can observe, minus 9 minus 6, its addition is minus 15, and the product of minus 9 and minus 6, that's plus 54, because both the negative numbers are there, so the product must be positive. So these are the factors of plus 54. Now we have to split the middle term, that is we should write the first term x square as it is, and instead of minus 15x we should write minus 9x minus 6x, which are the two factors of 54, and plus constant term as it is equal to 0. Now here the next step we have to make groups of two. The first group is x square minus 9x and the second group is minus 6x plus 54. From the first group we can take just x as a common. So if we take x common, in bracket we should have, out of x square we have taken 1x common, so in bracket we will have x minus, out of 9x we have taken x common, so in bracket we will have only 9, minus from the second group if we take minus 6 common, so in bracket we will have x, and out of plus 54 we have taken minus 6 common, that's why its sign, that is which is positive sign, it will become minus 9, because out of 54 we have taken minus 6 common is equal to 0. Again if we compare these two, x minus 9, x minus 9, these are the common brackets, so these can be taken common. So in the first bracket we should have x minus 9, and in the next bracket we have x minus 6, that is equal to 0. Now as a product of these two brackets is equal to 0, that means any one of them must be 0. Either x minus 9 is equal to 0 or x minus 6 is equal to 0. So if x minus 9 is equal to 0 and if we take minus 9 to the right hand side, it will be x is equal to 9, or if we take minus 6 to the right hand side, it will be x is equal to 6. So here we have got two values of variable x is equal to either 9 or x is equal to 6. So here x is equal to 9 and x is equal to 6 are the solutions of the given quadratic equation. Let us have the next quadratic equation. 2y square plus 27y plus 13 is equal to 0. In the previous equation, we have observed that the coefficient of first term is 1. That's why we have just factorized the constant term 54. But in this question, as we can observe, the coefficient of first term is not 1, but it is 2. In this case, we have to multiply the constant term by the coefficient of first term, that is 13 into 2. 13 into 2, that's 26. And now this time we have to factorize 26 such that the product of those two factors must be 26, that is plus 26, and the addition or subtraction must be plus 27. So such factors are 26 and 1, because 26 into 1, that's 26, and 26 plus 1, that's 27. Here we have 26 and 1, these are the factors of 26. I will write the first term as it is. We split 27y into 26y plus 1y plus 13, that is the constant term as it is equal to 0. We make here two groups. The first group will have 2y square plus 26y, and in the second one we have 1y plus 13. From first group we can take 2y as common, so in bracket we have y plus 13 plus, in the second group nothing is common, so only we can take 1 as a common, just to have in bracket y plus 13. So here again we have y plus 13 common, so it should be taken in first bracket y plus 13, and in second bracket we would have 2y plus 1, that is equal to 0. Now as product of these two is 0, that means either one of them must be 0. Either y plus 13 is equal to 0 or 2y plus 1 is equal to 0. If we take 13 to the right hand side, it will be y is equal to minus 13, or if we take 1 to the right hand side, it will be 2y is equal to minus 1. So either y is equal to minus 13, or we have to find here value of y. So we should transfer 2 also to the right hand side to get y is equal to minus 1 by 2. Here again we have two solutions of the given quadratic equation. For this equation, y is equal to minus 13 and y is equal to minus 1 by 2 are the solutions of given quadratic equation. Let us have the next equation. 5m square is equal to 22m plus 15. First of all, we should write this in standard form. For that one, we have to take these two terms, 22m plus 15, to the left hand side. So the equation will become 5m square minus 22m minus 15 is equal to 0. Again, we have to multiply constant term by the coefficient of first term. Minus 15 into 5, minus 75. We have to find the factors of minus 75 such that product is minus 75 and addition or subtraction must be minus 22. So such a factors are minus 25 and plus 3. Because minus 25 plus 3, this addition is minus 22 and the product is minus 75. So we can write the first term as it is. We can split minus 22m into minus 25m plus 3m minus 15 is equal to 0. Then we should make two groups. From first group we can take 5m as common. So in bracket we have m minus 5 plus in the second group we can take only 3 as a common. So in bracket we have m minus 5. So here again m minus 5 is common, that should be taken in bracket, first bracket, and in the second bracket we have 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. So as the product of these two is 0, any one of them must be 0. It is either m minus 5 is equal to 0 or 5m plus 3 is equal to 0. We take minus 5 to the right hand side, m is equal to 5, or 5m is equal to minus 3, as we take here plus 3 to the right hand side. M is equal to 5, or we have to find here value of m. So again take 5 to the right hand side, it will be in the denominator. So m is equal to minus 3 by 5. Here m is equal to 5 and m is equal to minus 3 by 5 are the solutions or are the roots of given quadratic equation. Now we have one question. Root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. To solve this quadratic equation by factorization, we have to complete the following activity. So in the first step, the quadratic equation itself is given, root 2x square plus 7x plus 5 root 2 is equal to 0. So this is the activity given. To solve this, first of all, we should multiply the constant term by the coefficient of first term. That is 5 root 2 into root 2, that should be 10, and we have to factorize 10 such that their product must be 10 and the addition or subtraction must be plus 7. So such factors are 5 and 2. So here we can split 7x as 5x plus 2x, that is equal to 0. So here the first group is there, from that we can take x as a common. So in bracket we have root 2 into x plus, out of 5x we have taken x common, so we'll have 5, bracket complete, plus from the second group we can take root 2 common. Now out of 2, if we take root 2 common, it will be root 2 in bracket into x plus from 5 root 2, if we take root 2 common, we will have only 5. That is the second term in the second bracket. Bracket complete is equal to 0. So again root 2x plus 5, these two brackets are equal here, so that should be taken in the first bracket, that is root 2x plus 5. In the second bracket we have x plus root 2, that is the remaining two terms, that is equal to 0. Now as product of these two is equal to 0, that means any one of them must be 0. It is either root 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 or x plus root 2 is equal to 0. If we go on solving this one, if we take 5 to the right hand side, it will become minus 5. And if we take root 2 to the right hand side again, then it will be in the denominator, so as to get the value minus 5 divided by root 2. or x is equal to minus root 2. As we take plus root 2 to the right hand side, it will become minus root 2. So here we got two solutions of this equation, that is either x is equal to minus 5 by root 2 or minus 2. These are the solutions of given quadratic equation.